Good morning, great to see you again. Just a quick update to tell you that normal recipe wine videos are in the process of being made. They are fermenting really well. They are gathering taste and flavour in the airing cupboard in a lovely warm place. So stay tuned for a load more wine recipe videos coming really soon. Now, I just want to tell you that my book Ferment and Be Happy has been published, it's been written, it's been edited, and it's live, it's published, it's out there for you to go and have a look at. It contains over 100 of my best favourite recipes. Now, these recipes are the tried and tested recipes that I make year in, year out. I've made videos about them, and I have also tweaked the recipes over the years, and these are fantastic. They are all the classics, but largely with a weird, wonderful twist, so you can release your creativity. Each recipe also has wine pairings, so I go into what type of cheese, what type of main course, what type of dessert would go really well with the wine, so that you can focus your food shop for the month, your main meal planning, your nibbles, your desserts, along with what you have in your wine cellar, in your wine rack. And with each wine recipe as well, I also go into how you could create this wine with your own twists, lots of experiments you can do, and different flavorings and styles you can incorporate into the wine recipe. So you can be as creative as you want, because that is what wine making is all about, being creative and bringing out your inner joy. So just go and ferment and be merry. And if you would like to read how to ferment and be merry, it is linked down below in the comments and the description, and also up by here somewhere. One side, other side, don't know what side it's going to be on. And it is available on ebook and in paperback. And you will have a choice on how you want to consume these 100 plus wonderful, weird, creative, fantastic wine recipes to get you fermenting and being merry. So go check it out, please. And I will see you all really soon for another weird, wonderful, delicious wine recipe. You have a great day now. I know I will. See you soon.